What up, what up, what up? Bankroll Tim bedded up. We got the 87 Landau right here. This is the one I'm busting on to get done. So I still got to rip that rear end out because that's 7.5. It's going bye-bye. Got an 8.5. Boom, going in it. I got the axles coming. They should be here by next week for the back. Like I said, I got the center section, all that over there. It is going on these Corleone 4s right here. Booyah. These are 6s. Got a 7-inch lip. A little dirty right there. So, but car will be set up for 28s. Go on this side over here. So got to clean up the sway bar. Got it off. Boom. This side is cleaned up. Not notched yet. Let's see, y'all. I don't know if I showed you this before, but this is a power cable right here. Now, like I said, I nicked it a little bit right there when I was cutting. But as you can see up in there, there is no, there you go, perfect sight of it. There's no rubber grommet or anything. So that power wire, you know what I'm saying? If this power wire doesn't have a fuse in the trunk and a fuse out here, it could arc out right there. And if it arcs out right there, which, I mean, eventually will, it'll cut through. So a lot of you guys out there having fires and stuff like that, I mean, I feel bad for you, y'all. But man, you gotta have shit like that checked, and shit like that should be run right. I'm not trying to talk shit about who did it, you know. That, you know, I just noticed it when I was cutting this piece out. Now, if I had never noticed it, you know, and that wire sits there and goes through, you know, the base vibrating, going down the road, whatever. But that's why it's good to have a fuse on the same wire in the back. So let's say it's a 350 amp fuse, and you got a 350 amp fuse underneath the hood. So it's good to have it because wherever it pops, if it pops here, with a battery in the back. Obviously, if this cut through and arced out the front fuse and there's no battery in the trunk, then yeah, I mean, it's gonna be dead. You know what I'm saying? It's not gonna have no power. But if you got a battery in the trunk, which most people with sounds have batteries in the trunk. So make sure you have fuses on both sides in case shit like this happens. Wires that get run underneath the back seat, stuff like that. You got people in your car, you know, sitting in the back seat, stuff like that. You know, the wire could get cut, could get pushed on, sat on, piece of metal, boom. So make sure you double fuse front and back with stereo stuff. These were left loose, but I understand. You know, there's things that get overlooked. I overlook some things here and there, but it's all good. I just, you know, let people know. I'm not trying to complain at shoot no shots and no shit like that. But yeah, so this was originally 86. They put the 87 nose on it, header panel on it, you know, Euro clip. But all right, this side. Remember I was telling you guys about this frame being beat in. This is nowhere near done, but because this frame was so beat, I mean, that's bad. And the way that everything turned out here, it's not cleaned up yet, so don't yell at me for it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take another piece of this plate and I'm gonna fit it in here. And then I'm gonna weld it in, fully weld everything, but I gotta put a little bit of curve in the middle. So once I get the design, I'll draw a line on it, I'll put it in a vise and I'll bend it at that line. I'll weld one side on and I'll be able to, you know, push the other side in here, tag it, whatever. Then I'll be able to go through and fully weld all that, grind it down some more, whatever, weld the bottom, so I can be done. So that's what I'm trying to get done with this thing today. So front frame notch, box Chevy, 2-door, Landau, coupe, whatever. I still never put the plastic on it, so I'm gonna have to, after I'm done with this side, be able to blow it off, stuff like that. Clean it up a little bit, or just blow it off and put some plastic on it. It'll be fine. And yeah, so that's where we're at on this one. Quick video, Bankroll Tim, bedded up, heat's coming on, and I'm out. Appreciate y'all.